Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I need to clean my house, so I thought I would bring you along. Come on, let's go clean. So this is the master bathroom, and it is kind of dirty. I normally do 2 light cleanings a week, and then I do 2 heavy cleanings a month. So today I'm going to do my light cleaning. I haven't done it since Monday. And then here's our master bedroom. And yes, we have twin beds due to my CRPS and the fact that my husband flails about when he's trying to sleep. His arms go crazy and his legs too. I don't know if your husbands are like that. But I was going to show you something really cool with my bed here. If you watch, it goes up. It's like a hospital bed. It raises up, which is really great when I have CRPS trouble and cannot get out of bed. And my husband's lifts up too. He has asthma, and so he needs to stay propped up, which really helps him. So besides cleaning our master bedroom, I will clean the hallway, our conversation room or sitting room right off the kitchen, our dining room, and our family room. And if you'll notice, I have a lot of floor I mop, and I don't have any carpet, just rugs. And then I'm also going to clean my kitchen. And here I am sweeping. The kitchen is probably the dirtiest room in the house. My dad lives with us, me and my husband, and 2 fur babies. And the kitchen gets really, really dirty because little paw prints brings grass and dirt. We have an ice maker, so ice falls from the refrigerator door onto the floor and everything. So it's just a mess. So I'm showing you clean my cabinets there. And then I'm going to show you my pots and pans. I got organized, and I'm so excited. This was a big deal to get it all organized. And then in a minute, I'm going to show you, here's my other cupboards organized. And then I'm putting up my dishes. Cleaning it's a big deal for me to clean, and I take my time. But I like it when it's clean. I have a lot of light in this house, so it kind of all sparkles. And then, of course, it all smells so good, too. And my countertops, yes, they are pink Formica. I picked them special for this house because I love them. Oh, and fresh peppers. I love them, and I thought they would just be really fun. And I'm just cleaning my counter. I have the fresh peppers up there. I have some fresh persimmons off our persimmon tree. And there, see? Oops. See, you can see them in the window there, all the fresh persimmons. And then here I'm going to start cleaning my canisters. And yes, those are real vintage canisters. I just love them. I'm kind of a 50s aesthetic nut. And I love the clothes and the furniture, but not the politics of the day. Anyway, I was cleaning my sink because that's one thing that I just really like to clean. And I clean it with Clorox because I don't want to scratch it, so I don't use any abrasive powders on it at all. And I love it when it's just kind of sparkly, and yeah, a clean sink's kind of my thing. And my husband and my dad pour their coffee in there all the time, and coffee stains. And so it always needs a good scrubbing. Even though I do it twice a week, it still needs a good scrubbing. And it's easy to do. Even the scrubbing liquids have abrasive little beads in it. That's why I do like the liquid Clorox. And you'll see in a minute, it'll just shine. So after I do that, I am going to probably sweep and mop my floor. I can't remember. Oh, no, I know. After I finish cleaning my sink, I cleaned wipe the refrigerator down, because even though we don't have small children in this house, the refrigerator gets dirty. So anyway, I wipe the refrigerator down here in just a minute after I get all this soap or Clorox rinsed out. And as I'm wiping it down, I don't know about where you live, but our water has here a lot of, I want to say chemicals. I don't know. And my little ice tray, water tray in the door of the refrigerator gets dirty. So I'm always taking it out and cleaning it because that's another area that just drives me nuts. And I'm really not that OCD about cleaning. I like it clean, I guess, because I clean twice a week. But anyway, here in a minute. See, that's the little tray. And I always bring it over here and I clean it. Then after I do that, I mop the kitchen and it doesn't take long. Especially because I speed it up for you guys. Because I am actually a very slow mopper because my arms and shoulders just start killing me. There we go. Woo! Fast. Next, I'm going to vacuum one of the 2 rugs in our house. And here's the floor view. And yes, I already have nutcrackers out. They kind of stayed out all year because they just kind of look cool where they are. And I put some Arm & Hammer carpet powder down. And you can see it on the rug there. It's the white. Because I have the dogs, and even though they're inside dogs, sometimes when they go outside, they do smell. And I just like to put that. And then here I am sweeping. Oh, hi, Henry. Henry's checking you out. He wanted to come say hi. I was mopping and sweeping in here because this is where you come in the front door, the family room, the dining room. So it gets a lot of use. And like I said, my house is all floors, just like that, except for the 2 area rugs I have. So it's really not hard to keep clean. And if we spill, drop, like the ice in the kitchen, or if somebody's going to their office or their room and they have coffee and it sloshes out, it's not a big deal. Just mop it up. If you drop something, if you track in mud, whatever. And especially with, animals, little muddy feet and everything. So it's really nice. I love it. It is a lot of mopping, but I'll take mopping. My husband also has really bad allergies, and carpet is just not something that we can do. So, okay, so here I'm bringing in the vacuum to the family room, and that's the other only rug in our house, and I'm going to vacuum that up for you real quick. And guess what? I am back in the bedroom staring at my husband's bed now. He never makes his bed, so I guess I'm going to make it today, but I'm going to refix all the sheets. Tomorrow I'll strip his bed. I have to wash his sheets once a week, so I'll be stripping his bed tomorrow and my bed and doing the sheets. That's what his allergist told him to wash them once a week. He also has special allergy covers on there that you can't really see from this angle, but I had to put his bed flat so I could, pull the sheet tight, fix the blankets and everything. And you can see part of our headboard back there. It's actually 2 screens that we bought at a discount home store, and we use them as our headboard, and I kind of love it. It says love, hope. Love isn't love until, I can't remember what it says. Well, anyway, it's just really cool. It's 2 big folding screens that we've made into our headboard. Making a bed is no fun. Probably why he never does it. Though I can't talk, I never do it either. But we won't say that too much. Look, all nice. That lump is his pillow. Oh, there's mine and Sam's bed. And I have a Sasquatch bedspread on my bed. I love that. It's so fun. Okay, here we are, back to the nasty bathroom where this all started. And Henry, he's helping. We're going to sweep and mop the bathroom floor and then clean the commode. I don't know about y'all, but I do it 2-3 times a week sometimes. I use my Clorox. That's a very clean toilet. Lastly, this is my lovely, messy closet. Come back next week for a Organize with me, and we will get this messy closet organized. I cannot wait. So I'll see you next week. Be sure and hit that subscribe.